According to a study, 75% of the consumers judge a business merely by its design. Hello friends, my name is Seema Gupta and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to use different fonts as an effective marketing strategy. So how should you plan your font type? Start by asking yourself the question, do you want to be perceived as a formal and trustworthy company, or do you want to be perceived as informal and friendly company? Now that you know how you want to be perceived, there are two main elements. One is font and another is color. I have discussed about color psychology in another video of mine. Do go through it. Link is in the description and you can check in the channel. Do like and subscribe to my channel if you want more such videos. Now let's start with the first set of fonts. It's also called as serif fonts. If you look at the logos of Yale University or Gap or New York Times, you will feel as though it's an established figure in its domain. Serif fonts being one of the older fonts, they invoke feeling of elegance and authority. Hence, it's often used in newspaper advertisement and for publishing research articles. Some of the most famous fonts in this category include Times New Roman and Georgia. The next type of font will be sans serif font. If you look at logos of companies like Microsoft, Chanel or Nike, it gives a sense of modern and friendliness. It conveys a meaning of honesty and reliability. Due to less strokes in each alphabet, many government and financial institutions use it as a go-to font for their communications. Due to its easy readability, it's often used in blog articles as well, and even for advertisements targeting the children. Some of the well-known fonts in this category is Arial and Century Gothic. Now let's understand the last font, which is a fancy font called a script. If you look at logos of Coca-Cola, Levi's or Instagram, you will feel a sense of creativity and loyalty. These are often used by brands to convey their history in a few words due to its creative font. These fonts are visually very powerful, but they lack readability at the same time. Hence, advertisers usually avoid it for advertising it, but they use it when they want to deliver a message in few words. Lucida Script is one of the most famous fonts in this category. So that brings me to the end of this video. If you like the video, do hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Until then, bye.